Hello guys and welcome back. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be explaining how does dropshipping work in this friendly explanation. All right, so dropshipping actually sounds complicated if you look at it from a different angle, but it's actually quite simple. So in this video, I'll explain how dropshipping works in 2026, step by step and in English. All right, so the first step, what is dropshipping actually? Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell product on your own website, you don't keep inventory, and a supplier ships the products directly to your customer. So I'll go over it again. Dropshipping is where you simply sell products. It's basically a platform. One of the best dropshipping platforms we have, Shopify. And on Shopify, you can manage your store, your inventory, and your products. But here's the catch: you do not keep the inventory. Most of the things you're going to be selling are with your suppliers. Rather, you're working hand in hand with a supplier to simply get your product out there while you act as the main storefront, they act as the back, where they simply supply and you just direct. Now, like I said, you do not keep inventory, and a supplier ships the product directly to your customers while you handle marketing. The supplier handles the delivery. Yes. Now, moving on, how does drop shipping or how does the drop shipping process work? So, depending on the kind of platform you're using, because you can use Shopify for drop shipping, you can get AliExpress to be your supplier, as well as CJ dropshipping for dropshipping. So it's a reliable dropshipping platform empowering dropshipping businesses, PODs, that's point of demand, and BTC brands to scale by linking sourcing agents and manufacturers. Now, how does the dropshipping process works? Here's what happens. A customer places an order on your store. I would like to show you what a dropshipping store would look like. So we're going to have to go and log into Shopify. So all you need to do is just simply log into your Shopify account. It's quite easy to get this done. You can create an account in an instant on Shopify, get it curated into what you need when it comes to hosting your products on Shopify. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you what my Shopify store looks like. All right, so it's currently opened, and as you can see, we have one product here. And now, if you want to look at this online store from the eyes of a consumer, you could simply click on online store from the home section, head over to online store. Once you have clicked on it, I'm now going to be showing you what it looks like for the average person. We have the back end where you can simply use Shopify's artificial intelligence, that's Sidekick, to simply edit your website. You can make it blue, red, green, white, yellow, purple, whatever color you need. And this is basically what my platform looks like. So if you click on it now, you're going to be taken to the live editor. Now, on the live editor, if you move over to mobile, you get to see what it looks like on mobile. So this is what it looks like basically right now. We have my products, we have our store. You can add your logo here and some other things. So like I said, or as I was explaining, how the dropshipping process works is a customer orders from my store. You just come over here and simply order. You pay the supplier, which I would include their payment link on my website, and then the supplier ships the product, and I get to keep the profit as they are paying through me while I just fill in the order to my supplier. And then you don't even have to ever touch this product. So I'm never going to interact with this at all. Now, moving on. So, what do you actually need to start? You need a Shopify store, as I explained earlier, which is what I have here. And then you need a product supplier. So, you can get some of your products from AliExpress. So, how does this work? Just simply open up AliExpress. It's an affordable Chinese store and they offer free shipping. So, they are a drop shipping service, but you know, it's AliExpress. Now, all you need to do here is find a product you want to sell. So, let's say you want to sell Nike Air Force. Let's say you want to sell Nike Air Force. Please note that there would be a lot of ads on the platform. So take that into account. Nike Air Force Ones. All right. So once it opens, you can see the price at which they are selling. We have the women's shoes, we have the men's. The price varies depending on where you're ordering from. All right. So while it's opening up, I would have to mention that you need a way to get your traffic. So when you begin dropshipping, you need a way to promote your business. And one of the best ways is by running advertisements. You can run advertisements on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, X, and Facebook. Now, all you need to do here is, let's say you want to get this shoe, but you don't want to really pay for it. You could simply scroll to the bottom and you would find an option to simply contact this business. You can easily contact them for some of their shoes and see if they're looking to collaborate. So you could simply do that, and then you could have their products listed in your Shopify store while you get to keep a percentage of the profit and they get to sell. So you could simply search for their merchant handle and simply inform them of the collaboration or a potential collaboration that you'd be looking to engage in with them. All right, so moving on from this, we now have how dropshippers make money. So as you can see, this product could be going for around, this should be somewhere around $100. So all you need to do is sell this at 120 or 130, and then people would pay 130, you get to keep 120, and you pay the remainder of the original price to the supplier. And then, where do your products come from? Your products can come from AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or a private supplier best known to you. Now, is dropshipping still worth it in 2026? Yes, it actually is. If you dropship along with the trends, so you have to follow trends basically. All right, guys. So that's basically how dropshipping works. Comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.